Imagine a citizen in a remote village in India being able to view on her smartphone all the hospitals that are closest to her, along with a rating of the quality of service provided by each hospital, which she can read in her local language. Imagine the value of this data when someone in her village falls sick and has to be rushed in an emergency. Or imagine a citizen having all the information required for getting a passport in a digital locker that the passport office can access directly. The citizen makes a request through an SMS using his Aadhaar number, gets an OTP to verify the genuineness of his request, and that's it. He sent his passport within a week after the necessary verification. Now, imagine a small farmer in a remote village using an app on his smartphone to request a loan for his crop. Using this app, the farmer enters the amount requested, the duration of the loan, his Aadhaar number, and also uses the app to provide his consent to enable banks to access his information for deciding on the loan. Banks and financial institutions use fintech to access his phone records and other transactions to screen his loan. If the loan is granted, then the loan amount is directly credited to the farmer's bank account. The farmer does not have to lose several days of work running from pillar to post to get this loan. These are but some examples of the ease of living for citizens by creating data as a public good of the people, for the people, and by the people. With the advances in generating and storing data and the enormous benefits from utilizing this data, we really need to invest in creating data as a public good in the same way as we invest in building roads, ports, etc. Today, sophisticated technologies already exist to protect the privacy of confidential information. Therefore, governments can create data as a public good within the legal framework of data privacy.